This story teaches us that we should never give up on our dreams. Hey there, amazing viewers! Welcome back to Digitbuzzy. Today I'm going to share an inspiring story with you. This story is about the scientists and engineers at ISRO who achieved success after facing a major setback 4 years ago. Story. In 2019, ISRO launched the Chandrayaan-2 mission. This was India's second lunar mission, and it aimed to land a lander and rover on the lunar South Pole. The mission started well, but the lander Vikram crashed while landing on the lunar surface. This was a major disappointment, and it was a blow to ISRO scientists and engineers. However, they didn't give up. They began planning the Chandrayaan-3 mission, which also aimed to land a lander and rover on the lunar South Pole. After 4 years of hard work and dedication, ISRO successfully launched Chandrayaan-3 on August 23, 2023. After the mission's success, ISRO scientists and engineers were emotional. They hugged each other and shed tears of joy. Morale of the story. This story teaches us that we should never give up on our dreams. No matter how big the obstacles are, we should never give up on our goals. ISRO scientists and engineers didn't give up after the Chandrayaan-2 mission's failure. They worked hard and dedicatedly to achieve their goal. And in the end, they were successful. This story inspires us to work hard and dedicatedly to achieve our goals. No matter how many challenges we face, we should never give up. Conclusion. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope this story inspires you. Additional paragraph. ISRO's success is a testament to the hard work and dedication of its scientists and engineers. It's also a reminder that anything is possible if we never give up on our dreams. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell not to miss any future content. Remember, you have the power to change your life, and I believe in you. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.